About this item compatibility, it can compatible with Sony PS4/PS4 Pro/PS4 Slim controller perfectly. More stable design, change the traditional standing model, lying design is more stable. The stand will not fall after the controller is installed. Dual USB ports, power through the micro USB port from either the PS4 console or PC or AC adapter, 5V/1A. Two controllers can be charged simultaneously. LED indicator, it has a LED indicator to show its charging states. Charging, red light, full charged, green light. Charging time, full charge within 2 hours when charging one controller. Two controllers simultaneously within 2.5 hours. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item compatibility, it can compatible with Sony PS4/PS4 Pro/PS4 Slim controller perfectly. More stable design, change the traditional stand